Ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka balalam khmat dak National People's Party hapo ka jingalam ukonrat ki sangma kila pentep bakani ka Sorkar ka kampenle jingmut bha hakaliang jong ka puli puthi bat kala mangru ya khat artli ki People's College pa thymmai ukonrat sangma ula pentep bakini ki khat artli ki college ki kanthop ya ka Thomas Jones Senior College West Jand Hills District ka Abong Noga College West Garo Hills District ka Crossing Christian College East Khasi Hills District Reward College East Khasi Hills District Loyola College East Garo Hills District Balawan College Riboy District Mausanram Border Area College Selsala College Sengkhasi College Shillong Mendipathar College North Garo Hills Snaps A Memorial College West Khasi Hills Bat Titrikila College West Garo Hills.
The Cabinet has decided that the grant in aid that was given to ad hoc colleges, so there are 7 colleges that receive ad hoc grant and this grant is against a particular post where 75% is paid by the government and 25% by the managing committee. Colleges like the Right Laban College, the Women's College, Tikrikila College, Durama College, and Mandraganj and Sora. So there are 7 total colleges, and they were actually not receiving the 5th pay commission. So the government has decided that after the necessary homework was done, that the 5th pay commission is applicable to them, and hence there is an arrear amount which needs to be cleared. So that amount will be cleared, and the cabinet has decided that today the impact of that is about 11 crores for the last 4.5 years. So this is a long pending issue, and it has finally been cleared today. The government has also amended the Meghalaya Health Service rules and included the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board also in these rules, so that the Meghalaya Medical Service Recruitment Board can function and can conduct the necessary exams and the necessary recruitment for the vacancies of different doctors and doctors' posts in the state. So it's a small amendment, but it was necessary to enable the board to function in a smooth manner. The National Human Rights Commission has directed different state governments that there needs to be compensation on account of death of prisoners, and hence based on the directions given by the National Human Rights Commission, the Cabinet today has approved this compensation, and this will also be notified. The approval of New People's College in the state. So the Cabinet has decided to approve and sanction 12 new People's Colleges throughout the state. They are: number 1, Thomas Jones Synod College, Jowai, West Jente Hills, Number 2, Abong Noga College, Tura, West Garo Hills. Number 3, Crossing Christian College, Moplang, East Khasi Hills. Number 4, Reward College, Peninsula, East Khasi Hills. Number 5, Loyola College, William Nagar, East Garo Hills. Is that slow enough?
Yes, sir.
Number 6, Balawan College, Umsning, Riboy. Number 7, Mausungram Border Area College, Mausungram, East Khasi Hills. Number 8, Selsala College, Selsala, West Garo Hills. Number 9, Sengkhasi College, Jayao, Shillong. Number 10, Mendipathar College, Mendipathar, North Garo Hills. Number 11, Singap Singh College, Mokurwat, West Khasi Hills. And number 12, Tikrikila College, Tikrikila, West Garo Hills. These 12 new colleges, people's colleges, have been approved by the Cabinet today. Cabinet's decision to start BA and BCom courses by creating 39 posts and other non-teaching staff posts in the College of Teachers Education, Tura. This is being done as per the new education policy, which requires the colleges that are there to have multi-disciplines, and hence, in order to enable the College of Teachers Education to be able to move forward in the lines of the new education policy, these courses will start, BA and BCom courses, as well as I said, the 39 posts will be created for this purpose. Another small amendment and cabinet approval was given was for the delegation of financial powers under Schedule 4 for the Meghalaya Public Service Commission. This is basically being done in order to ensure that the commission can function smoothly. Before this was done, the commission had to take necessary approval even for renting of halls or expenditures to conduct examinations and other aspects which would really hinder and put too much of problems for the commission, and hence by giving them necessary financial powers, now they will be independently able to, without taking permissions for every small expenditure, they will be able to conduct the exams and other expenditures more smoothly. So those were the main points that were discussed in the cabinet today. Yeah, it's 17 crores 94 lakhs will be the financial implication for 12 colleges annually, which means on a monthly basis about 1.5 crores. And hence, with this, the entire concerns of our youth, especially, who are not able to get access to college seats, and every year we hear this kind of problems that are there. We are hopeful that as per the government's our mandate and our mission also, and our commitment to the people, that education will be given priority. So therefore these aspects are being done. And if you notice today in the cabinet, majority of the agendas were related to education. And with this decisions that we took in education itself, almost close to about 40 crores plus of financial impact is there, which is going to go towards education. So hence this is another indication about how we as a government have given education importance and priority. So People's College basically is obviously we'll be giving funds to the necessary to these colleges, where specific posts will be sanctioned by the government, and we will be paying for those teachers and the lecturers and some of the non-teaching staff in these colleges. So it's a financial support, but specifically meant only for the posts and the lecturers that were there.